Hey there, foodies! Today, we're going to dive into the world of Mediterranean cuisine, where the flavors are as diverse as the cultures that created them. So, let's get started with our Dine Mediterranean journey. Mediterranean cuisine is a blend of flavors and cooking styles from countries like Greece, Italy, Spain, France, and the Middle East. It's known for its fresh ingredients, bold flavors, and simple yet delicious dishes. One of the most iconic Mediterranean dishes is the Greek salad. It's a refreshing mix of fresh vegetables, feta cheese, and olives, all tossed in a zesty dressing. Another popular dish is the hummus, a creamy and delicious dip made from chickpeas, tahini, and garlic. When it comes to meats, Mediterranean cuisine offers a variety of options. Lamb is a staple in many dishes, like the classic Greek gyro. Seafood is also a popular choice, with dishes like paella and mussels in white wine sauce. For those with a sweet tooth, Mediterranean cuisine has some delicious desserts. Baklava, a flaky pastry filled with nuts and honey, is a popular choice. Tiramisu, a creamy and coffee-flavored dessert, is also a favorite. Wine is an essential part of Mediterranean cuisine. The region is known for producing some of the world's best wines, like Chianti from Italy and Riesling from Germany. So, there you have it, folks. A brief introduction to the delicious world of Mediterranean cuisine. We hope you enjoyed this journey and are inspired to try some of these amazing dishes. Thank you for joining us on this Dine Mediterranean adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and food-related content. Until next time, happy eating!